Hi, in video we will study about memory technologies from 5th unit. What is memory unit? It is considered as a collection of cell in which cell is capable of storing a bit of information. There are 4 memory technologies. First one, static random access memory. Second one, dynamic random access memory. Third one, ROM and flash memory. Fourth one, magnetic disk. Static random access memory, it is main memory. It is located very close to the processor. Static random access memory are simple integrated circuit that are memory array with a single access port. Static random access memory don't need to refresh, and so the access time is very close to the cycle time. Static random access memory use 6 to 8 transistors per bit. Second one, dynamic random access memory. In dynamic random access memory, the power value is kept in a cell and is stored as a charge in a capacitor. It has single transistor. This transistor is used to access this stored charge, either to read the value or to overcome the charge stored here. There are 3 types of dynamic random access memory. First one, asynchronous DRAM. Second one, synchronous DRAM. Third one, RAM bus memory. Asynchronous random access memory. DRAM stores all the charge on a capacitor, so cannot be kept identify and must periodically be refreshed. Synchronous dynamic random access memory, DRAM, which is used to improve the interface to processor, add clock with its called synchronous DRAM. The advantage is that the use of clock eliminate the time for the memory and processor to synchronize. The latest version of this technology is DDR4. Third one, RAM bus memory. It is the fastest type of computer memory. SDRAM can be transfer data at speed up to 133 MHz. RDRAM can transfer data over 1 GHz. Next one, ROM and flash memory. The read operation is same, but write operation is different in non-volatile memory. A special writing process is needed to store information into this memory. There are different variation in non-volatile memory. First one, read-only memory. Second one, programmable read-only memory. Third one, erasable PROM. Fourth one, electrically EPROM. Fifth one, flash memory. First one, ROM. Permanent data and programs are stored in ROM. It has non-volatile memory. It holds data even if the power is turned off. PROM. Permanent data and programs are stored in ROM. Some ROM designs allow the user to load programs and data. Such ROMs are programmable ROM. PROM are faster and less expensive. EPROM. ROM designs allow the stored data to be erased and new data to be loaded, such an erasable programmable ROM. The advantages is its content can be erased and reprogrammed. The disadvantages is when erasing entire EPROM chip, content is erased. EEPROM, the chip which consists of both programmed and erased programmable memory, called EEPROM. The disadvantages is it need different voltage for erasing, reading and writing the data. Next one, flash memory. It is possible to read the content of a single cell, but during writing operation that entire block of cell must be written. The advantages of flash memory is, first one, flash memory device have greater density. Second one, it has higher capacity and lower cost. Then third one, it consumes less power. Then fourth one, in various devices we can use flash memory. Thank you.